everybody? This is Pig at the Haze. Thanks for joining me today. Ooh, little wake and bake. Got the Sherlock. First off, please like and subscribe. We're at 33 subs. Haven't got a sub in a little bit. A couple days, I think. Please hit the likes, hit the subs. And if you want to follow me in my charts and anything else Sean and I at the Haze have to talk about, hit the notification bell. Alright? Today we got some dip action in Bitcoin. Alright? I said we could be taking a dip. We're taking a dip. I think we're still on our way to 10,000. I think we will get out of this bear market soon. I don't think it'll continue forever. I definitely don't think it's going to continue for years. I think the last big bear market in Bitcoin was, let me show you this real quick. Actually, we're not going to go to CoinMarketCap. We are going to go to this chart on Bitcoin. Okay. This was the last big bear market that everybody seems to talk about, okay? We hit a peak on my birthday, 2013, okay? We came all the way down to September of 2015. So basically, the end of 2013, towards the end of 2015, 2 years bear market. And you can see when we created this pattern right here, okay, you can see this long wick right here, okay? That signifies pressure or resistance from down below. See this huge gap? We kind of went back down almost to it, right? That showed that we are not going back below this line, okay? See these wicks right here that formed at the very beginning? That is pressure or resistance. We do not want to be down here, okay? Now, when we broke out of this bear market towards the end of 2015, it just happened to be September, October. Well, that seems to be when crypto likes to pop off, okay? Keep that in mind, okay? We popped off, we went up, and ever since then, we've been climbing. I mean, technically, we're still climbing now. If you see this channel that we formed right here, that's what we're riding right now, okay? We don't want to be down here. I don't think we want to be down here, okay? Now, I'm not going to say it's impossible. There is a possibility that this bear market just gets to the end right here and tanks, okay? That is a possibility. Nobody really knows outside of the elite circle. Nobody really knows what Bitcoin is going to do after it's done with this bear market, okay? So yes, while we're in a bear market, treat it like a bear market, okay? But in my opinion, I think we're going to break up into this space right here, and I think we're going to come and break up from this point right here. That's what I think, okay? I think we're going to break up here, and that brings us just after Christmas, all right? Now, I will admit, if we spike up right here, the chart would look a little funny, okay? That would be a big increase in a very short amount of time, okay? It's possible. That is possible, just like breaking down here is possible, okay? But now look, we have this pattern, okay? I had this yellow one formed the other day on the other day's video, but I had it down here, okay? We didn't really drop that much today. People might be freaking out. It might look big to some people, but look, all we did was correct, okay? because we had this shoot up here and we couldn't break right here, okay? So we consolidated and we couldn't break here either. I thought maybe we could because we're at the end of the month. And that's another thing we need to keep in mind. Tomorrow is the first of the month, okay? At the beginning of the month, last month, $40 billion got added into crypto, which caused this to happen, okay? It caused all this to happen, okay? Boom, look what that did. Okay, it brought us up here. People want to say this is not healthy. Well, guess what? It is healthy. You know why? Somebody had to prop it up. Okay, $40 billion propped it up right here. And it created inverse head and shoulders. Okay, what do we have to do? Boom. Finish the pattern. That's healthy. I don't care what anybody says. It's healthy. Look, this right here is matching right here. Okay? This whole area is matching this area. Okay? Now, if we continue this pattern, look, shoulder, head, shoulder. I got like an arm thing, another shoulder thing, another shoulder thing. So that matches. And then we came up again, and now that is matching with this. Okay? So now, if we want to continue this pattern over here, we're going to need another break up. Okay? Which gives us room to do it right here. Okay? Because we stopped on this support right here, if we can stay above that and work our way back this way, we do have the potential to come back and break out of this. I guess another falling wedge. Like that's what it keeps doing that. Okay, so if we want to break out of this one, we need to stay above this support that we're on right now. I mean, 7,500. 7,600 would probably be bare minimum. I'd want to see it fall. But I mean, we can fall all the way to the bottom of this, okay? We can fall all the way to the bottom. It is possible. That's 7,000, okay? If we fall that ends up being 6,800, okay? If we fall below that, we're back at the reverse head and shoulders that we had just formed, okay? I don't think we're going that low. We have heavy lines of resistance here, and we're on heavy lines of resistance here, okay? Resistance, support. Whatever, flip-flop them. You know what I mean. Anyways, so we can stay in this little triangle here. I'm hoping we do and just kind of break up into it and out to 10,000. That's what I'm hoping. Now, me hoping does not mean it's going to do that. I understand how markets work. I understand they like trapping people. I understand they like taking your money, okay? Do not let my hope in Bitcoin going to 10,000 fool anybody, okay? I'm not trying to fool you. I'm just trying to explain what I see, all right? If I don't see something properly, please let me know. Comment, you know, send me a message. Let's talk about it. I'm not going to get mad at you. So I think we could, if we could form this area right here, if we can stay above it and just kind of pop here, that would be really cool. That would confirm that if we break this resistance right here, that would confirm we're out of the bear market. Okay? And we need to hit the 10,000 to really be out of the bear market, okay? So, for all you new people in crypto who just invested and you see this big red candle one day, do not panic. Do not panic. Do not panic, okay? Keep calm. This is nothing. You're not day trading. You're not swing trading. Most of you that are new into crypto, which is kind of where I'm trying to be that middleman for the new people, I do swing trades. I've done day trades. But I hodl, okay? I like accumulating as much coins as I can for the next run. Then I'm going to sell those coins, okay? And I will start to, I guess, invest wisely, some crypto experts would say. And that's another point that I want to bring up before I go into any more charts, okay? Get this back up. Hold on. Quick drink. I've invested into numerous coins. Some people would call them shit coins. I understand what a shit coin is. I understand that there are a lot of shit coins out there, but at the same time, shit coins can make you money. And somebody's shit coin might not be a shit coin to somebody else, and vice versa. All right? Shitcoin is just a label that somebody gives a coin that they don't like. All right? Because in the crypto market, there are so many coins. There are so many cheap coins, so many new coins. There are some old coins that are still cheap. It's a very diverse field of coins and their prices, okay? And what their technology is and what their plan is, what their roadmap is, what their white paper says. They're all the same and they're all different at the same time, okay? You just need to read them. And if you're going to invest in a shit coin, sorry, a shit coins, in my opinion, they're not shit, man. They're on the market. They're going in a pattern. They go up, they go down. So it doesn't matter if you have a shit coin or a Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, it matters. But if you have some extra change, some extra dollars to throw around, or if you have some extra Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever, if you have some extra funds of any kind and you've already got some other coins that you're invested in and you're playing around with, why not put some money into a shit coin and see what it does? You never know, man. Like, if you like what that coin is, if you like what they stand for, if you fucking like anything about that fucking coin and you have some fucking funds to throw in it, take the chance, man. Like, you got nothing to lose. Like, if we go back to this chart real quick, if we go back to this chart, look at Bitcoin. You see all this space right here? If we fall, if we did fall right here and it just tanked, like, Bitcoin's a shit coin at that point. So for all you calling all these coins shit coins just because you don't like them, get the fuck out of here. They're going to make you money. If you think there is even a small chance that you can get a lot of money with very small investment, why would you not take that chance? What's going to be really funny is when shitcoins hit and all the people bashing shitcoins are going to be looking around like, how the fuck did you make more than me when I had this expensive coin? It's like, duh. Like, the cheap coins make you more money, okay? Make your more money in cheap coins, make your profit, and then go put it in Bitcoin and Ethereum after. On the next bear run, make a shit ton of money now with cheaper coins, and then the next bear market, buy up your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, buy up all the expensive ones. Like, if Bitcoin were to come all the way down here and just maybe the dollar took a shit, right? Maybe the dollar actually fucking collapses this time, okay? What do you think Bitcoin? I mean, Bitcoin technically, I mean, if you look at it, we're on a bear market path with the dollar. The dollar is losing value. The dollar's not backed by gold anymore. The Chinese just started a petro yuan to kind of use as competition to move the petrodollar out of the way. So now the petrodollar, which our dollar is backed by oil from the Middle East, is now being pressured by China and the BRIC system. At the same time, we're on this bear market with Bitcoin. There's a lot of different scenarios that can play out, man. If the dollar were to go down, look at all the USD pairings that are with crypto right now that have been going up, right? If the dollar goes down, there's a possibility that all crypto goes down because it's now paired with the USD. I don't know what's going to happen. I think that's possible. It's also possible that, people in charge of the dollar are using dollars to get into crypto, which is why $40 billion left our system last month and somehow entered crypto. That if that happens again, that governments are investing into crypto during this bear market for the next run. And that's a fact, man. If you want to know more about the situation of the dollar, go listen to Financial Turmoil Explained on YouTube. Okay? He goes over all of that in depth. A lot of what he was already talking about, though, I've known from my own research and studying and being involved in political science at school and things like that. So I do understand these markets. I understand how politicians work. I understand how the governments are trying to transition to this new form of currency, this new world currency. The US dollar is not going to be alive forever. You can see that we're in this transition period. I'm not saying that mass adoption is happening anytime soon. What I'm saying is that governments and countries are stepping up to the plate so that they have that advantage, that head start over the majority of people when they do get into crypto, because the governments will be pushing everybody into the pool of crypto at some point. After the governments and everybody's all the elites are comfortable in crypto and we get these booms and they get super rich, all the people that are not in are going to be left out and they're going to be working for the crypto. That may be like way down the line. I'm not saying it's anytime soon, but you know what? Blockchain is meant to grow. Okay, that's why you have this. Look, you have this channel that had started here, this channel line. Okay, then we made a new channel uptrend line right here. Okay, now we're hitting that again. You don't think we're going to go back up and start a new channel? It's very possible. Especially if we're trying to save the dollar. If they're trying to save the dollar and put it all into crypto, like all these dollars, even though we have so much debt with the US dollar, it's still going to propel us up again. But it's also very possible we fall off a cliff right here and we crash with the dollar. I mean, I don't know. I'm just going by what I see and what I know in real news, not your mainstream media news, okay? I do real research. For all you people who think you do real research and all you do is watch mainstream television and mainstream news, you don't know the real world. You don't know how it really works. Sorry to say it. But, yeah, if you're new into crypto, I want to get back onto that subject. If you're new into crypto, it's okay to get in now. We're at the end of the bear market. Now, would I have told you to get in here? Like, back then, I didn't know as much as I knew. Like, I got in, like, over here. This is where I got in, right here. This is where I got into crypto. I hate to say it, but I did. Okay? I learned a lot just since then. Okay? So right now, yeah, we can get a pullback, which we're starting to right now, but we could also stay right here in this little triangle up here on these supports and bounce through this opening right here. It's possible. I'm not saying we're going to. We could definitely form this bottom pattern right here. We can bounce off of this, start working our way up. I mean, it could definitely take longer than I thought. But at the same time, if you're new into crypto, you probably don't have the time to trade. You probably don't have the time to sit down and plan all of these trades out. Like, you probably don't have time for that. So, right now, yeah, it's a good time to get in. All you have to do is wait a year. Like, honestly, just hold for a year. Hold for 6 months. Just put money in because eventually the shit's going to pay out. I don't care how long you hold. I don't care if people tell you holding's stupid. I don't, like, man, if you put time, the more time and energy and effort you put into this, you can start trading full time. Okay, you can do swing trades. Look, had you bought right here, boom, you sold right here. Had you bought back down here, boom, sold right there. Because you would have known this resistance right here is playing a major role in these swings, right? Then you got these major supports down here, okay? You know that this is a pattern. So you could definitely swing trade this if you wanted to. You could also short it, okay? You could buy here and sell here, or you could just short here. You just short throughout this whole fucking thing. Like, there are definitely different ways to play around in crypto. There's no one right way. There's definitely ways to do faster profits. There are riskier ways. There are more conservative ways. There are all kinds of ways to trade in crypto. So don't let anybody tell you that you can only do it one way and their way is the only way. No. And for this channel specifically, I want it to be more for the new people that aren't into the trading yet. The new people that just want to get invested for that future profit. That's what I want this channel to be about. When I get live streams going again and I'm live making trades, when I need to make trades, you will see me do those live, okay? But for the time being, until I get the live going, I'm just going to be showing you my charts. I'm taking my computer in today or tomorrow morning to get the speaker port fixed, okay? So my next few videos will be about my plants. They've grown a lot. So yeah, this is what Bitcoin's doing. Oh wait, before I get into that, another thing with politics and the media being in crypto and causing these patterns, not causing, but influencing these patterns, the celebrities too. And if you've noticed recently, a lot of the celebrities have been coming back out in news headlines about crypto-related topics. Kardashians using Bitcoin for a poker game or something. Madonna. Like their last run, we had Katy Perry and 50 Cent. Okay, now we're getting the celebrities popping their heads in again. Jay-Z and a couple other rappers investing in a Robinhood app. Robinhood app sucks right now, but you know what? Eventually that's going to be popping. Okay, these big time people are getting involved now while the price is low. You might not consider, some people might not consider this low because they're waiting for that next low, but you know what? Those people with a lot of money, they're accumulating in all these areas and they're just going to wait because when that pop off hits, they're going to be super rich. And all these people not in crypto are going to get in so late. They're going to be halfway up the next pop up mountain. And they're going to be halfway late, man. You're going to miss out a lot of money. And then you're going to be hoping, oh, it's going to keep going. It's going to keep going. Nope. Bam. Dropping back down. Now you're stuck. Don't do that. And if you do that, you need to wait for the end of the bear market to start investing again and get that dollar cost average. Like I said, there's so many different ways. I like to accumulate. I think this is a perfect time for accumulation. You know, from anywhere from here on down. It's like accumulate every single big dip like that. I don't care if it's altcoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just accumulate. Because when we go up again, when we make another run like this, even if it's just from here to here, that's still a run up. It might not be huge like this, but you know what? This next time that we come up here, you're going to be happy for holding, okay? Because if you're over here trading and you don't know what you're doing, you're going to be losing your coins. And then by the time we run up, you're not going to have any coins left and any money left. So if you want to be completely safe and you want to have some money in the future, buy these low parts, these low areas, okay? Every time you see a low like that, you accumulate. You wait for that next run up and you pick your target price. Don't make this harder than it has to be, okay? Don't expect to get super rich as soon as you invest, okay? It does take some time. Expect to hold on for at least 6 months to a year. When you invest, expect to hold on that long, okay? And people want to talk about bear market and crypto could happen like this again. This was Bitcoin's infancy. This was the first big run Bitcoin ever had. Okay? That's why it was so long. Crypto is faster now. Okay? Countries, governments, our society is accepting and needing and wanting crypto more and more every year, every month. Okay? So no, I don't think we're going to drop down here unless the dollar collapses and Bitcoin goes with it. That's the only way I see that happening. I think we're still going to ride up this channel just like here. Okay? We hit this point. Let's see. Yeah, we hit this point. Now, if we do the same exact thing we did here, I'm not saying we're going to, but we could end up going like that. You guys see that? See how that one just bolted up like that? And we rode it. I mean, it's possible. It's definitely possible. We're definitely coming up this way, though. We're going to work our way up into this channel. I don't see us going down here unless the dollar collapses. And in that case, if the dollar collapses, everybody's fucked. Whoever's holding Bitcoin is going to be rich later when Bitcoin picks back up. Because I'm telling you, if the dollar collapses, blockchain is the future technology. We're going to go right back to blockchain. We already know that starting point. Alright, so that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin, shitcoins, it doesn't matter, man. I mean, it matters because one of them is obviously stronger, more valuable than the other. Bitcoin is obviously the gold of crypto, okay? But shitcoins, like if you got some spare change, put it into a shitcoin, see what happens, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. Don't let people tell you you're a fucking idiot for taking a chance on an ICO or a shitcoin in their opinion. If you like it, just do it. Who cares, man? It's your money, it's your investment, it's your risk. It's none of their business. If you want to ask people or if you want to tell people about that shitcoin that you got into, that ICO that you threw money in, if you want to say something about it, go ahead. Nobody has to listen to you. Okay? Like, just accumulate coins, man, because the next run up, you're all going to be happy. Don't let these little tiny up and downs right here. I mean, they're not tiny, but don't let these swings scare you. Don't let them scare you, okay? Because as soon as we do hit that point, we're going to go up. And we're in this green channel right here. I told you guys, we're in this green channel. We're still in it. Okay, I'm going to move this. We're still in this green channel. Right now we've hit a support. Okay, I'm hoping we bounce up right here. We can explode back up to here. That brings us to $9,000. I mean, we could do 8,500 too, and kind of work our way back down here to about 79, and maybe pop back up around here. Okay. By October, definitely going to see a $10,000 Bitcoin. What else do I want to go over today? Keep calm, don't panic for all you new people in crypto. Understand the patterns, understand the future of blockchain, understand the future of crypto, understand where governments and politics are going with blockchain technology. Okay, that does play a role. Accumulate coins for all you new people. Your strategy should honestly just be hold until you know exactly what you're doing. I don't have a course or anything. I am going to recommend Big Ben Millionaire. So Big Ben Millionaire, he's got a $110 course when you join his live show. It's really good. He'll teach you how to make money. He keeps it real. He doesn't bullshit. And he's been doing it for a long time. So yeah, that's that. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to follow me, just hold. When I start live streaming, I'll start trading live when I need to trade, and you'll see that. But until then, hodl. I think that's about all. I want to give a shout out to WINNERCOIN real quick. They pretty much just fucking lit up my day this morning. I woke up to a great message from WINNERCOIN. All the guys over there, thank you very much. I will be making a video specifically on what that message was when it becomes really official. So stay tuned for that. For all you people that want to hate on WINNERCOIN, that's it. Get some motherfucking WINNERCOIN. So that's it. I think that's it for this episode. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, subscribe, please. We need some more subscribers. I really want to get that smoking challenge going. So when we hit 420 subscribers, we'll have a smoking challenge, and then when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll have a smoking challenge on live stream. Okay? So that would be really awesome. Can we please get the subscriber number up, please? That would be awesome. You'd be doing us a big help. Yeah. It's about all I got for you today. Tomorrow, if the sun's out, the sun's not out the last couple of days. We got the car fire over in Reading, a couple hours away. Apparently came over to Trinity County, so it's only one county away now. It's been super foggy, super cloudy, super cold. Everybody seems to be having these heat waves around, and I am in a long sleeve cold. So let's get some sun out here. My plants need it. Yeah. See how big those plants are growing maybe tomorrow or the next day. We'll see. Keep going, Bitcoin. Keep doing your thing. You're going to make us all happy. You are the future. All you guys in crypto, dude, you just need to understand. You need to understand. Crypto wants to grow. Okay, this is at the beginning. We're at the beginning stages of crypto and what it's going to do to our society. Okay? So, at the very least, just hold and accumulate coins, okay? They will go up. You don't need to understand the market right now unless you want to make money right now. If you want to make money right now, then yeah, start shorting the market, swing trade. But I'm not going to encourage that for all the new people coming into crypto. I want to encourage people that this is the future of money. This is the future of how we're going to be going about our business, our purchases, our consumer lifestyles. We're all going to be using crypto eventually. And what better time to get into crypto than at its beginning stage, okay? That's all I gotta say. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will keep you posted on my plans. All right? Get invested in crypto. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of these little drops. All right? We're going to be going up. Don't worry about it. Just invest and sit tight. Be patient. All right? Peace out from the haze.